Hi there. In this quick video we are going to look at this ROG flat USB Type-C cable, which says it can handle 5 amps. Obviously we are also going to test that. So you might be thinking, why am I filming this in the car? Well, I bought this thing to use in my car because this type of ribbon cables are way more flexible than the one that came with my Huawei phone. And I bought this particular charger, which also came with a 5 amp cable, but I would like to use it with this one. So I need to test these two between them and make sure the new one can handle the maximum output of this particular car adapter, car charger, whatever you want to call it. So let's plug it in and see what we get. Sorry for filming vertically, I hope you can actually hear me, but this particular app does not know how to rotate at 90 degrees. So at this point I'm going to plug in the original white Huawei cable and see what we get. As you can see, power connected. And this value should go up and up and up. As you can see, it's starting to jump. 2 amps already, 2.3 amps, 2.8 amps, 3.1, 3.6. Okay, I'm liking what I see. 3.8, 4 amps. This is good charging current. And it seems to have stabilized at 4 amps. So what I want to see now, okay, I will stop the recording. I just film with the phone itself, the cable plugged in. It will be a bit weird. Yeah, so at this point the phone is filming itself being plugged in into the 5 amp output with the original Huawei cable. So next we will unbox this and switch to it and see what we actually get. Couldn't really do much of an unboxing because there's nothing in here. This thing is half empty, and we have that pouch or bag into which this thing is rolled up and held in place with this. So let's actually go ahead and plug it into the 5 amp port. As you can see, it is purple, and first when I got it I thought it is damaged. You can see a pin right there in the middle. Well, that one is the ground pin. This cable is not actually USB 3.0. It is just charging 5 amp cable. So do not expect USB 3.0 speeds, but also this original Huawei is not USB 3.0. It's just from standard USB to USB Type-C, but it can handle 5 amps. So this is what this thing can also do. Let's plug it in and see what we get. Starting to record at this point. Again, hopefully you can hear me, and let's plug the new cable in. If I could actually find where to plug it in. So it went in quite difficult at first. It's a new cable, so it's to be expected, I guess. But it's quite a snug fit. And let's see what we get from this one. Will it go to the 4 amps that the previous one went? If it will go to that, I'm quite satisfied with the situation. Seems to be going up a bit slower than the other one, but we shall give it a bit of time to see where it stabilizes. And it's only 2 amps. Yikes. And here is the cable plugged into the same 5 amp port as I put the Huawei in. but this thing cannot get the 5 amps. I will do a few more trials and see if I can get not 5, 4 that the Huawei did, and if not, yeah, this cable doesn't do what it says it will do, so that is a bit sad. And this is the second day in the morning. My voice is a bit tired. I'm trying again with this cable because I realized probably my phone was already charged too much to accept the 4 amps, because I tried again with this one and it also maxed out at 2 amps. So let me plug it in again and see what happens now when it's not charged too much. And let's plug in the cable and see what we actually get. As you can see, it's 38% charged at this point, so it should take the maximum it can get, in my opinion, at this point. Okay, 1 amp, 1.2, 1.7, okay, 2 amps, 2.4, okay, 2.6, 3 amps, 3.29, 3.7, 3.9, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, okay, we are getting somewhere at this point. So 4.5 amps through that ribbon cable. Yep, it's a good buy in my opinion. And honestly, I don't have anything else that I need to say at this point. It's good quality, it's good. It is charging my phone really well inside the car. That's about it. So thank you very much for the video. Hopefully it helps you if you are considering buying this particular cable. And yeah, as always, see you in the next one. Bye.